So a lot of times when I'm styling a house, I get asked to do flowers, and it's one of the more fun things that I do. It's just great to have that finishing touch when you're styling a room and you can bring the flowers in at the last minute and make it look beautiful. One of the things that I like to do is just to use fresh flowers from either the farmer's market or I go to a really great wholesale place in Northeast Minneapolis that has everything I'm looking for. Today, I found these at a local grocery store and they look fabulous. They're really great. Beautiful, bright, sort of deep purple gladiolus. Whenever I prepare a flower or a stem for a vase, I always like to take the bottom leaves off the stem. You never want the leaves floating in the water. That can sometimes spoil the water and make the flowers die quicker. And then what I do is I line up all the flowers kind of where I'm imagining them being in the vase, and then I trim off just the very tip based on how much of the flower I want above the top of the vase. And these have an amazing way of just kind of arranging themselves. And almost immediately they start to take shape and they start to create an arrangement without even trying. I think this is kind of more my style of arranging flowers. None of that fancy country club styling. It's more about just natural, real, fresh, simple. I only put a little bit of water in the vase. Sometimes people will have a tendency to put more water than necessary. And I always feel like it makes it look awkward, like you're drowning the flowers. So just a little bit at the bottom. All you want is the stem, the bottom of the stem to be in the water, and then you're fine, you're good to go. I always like to leave a few extra stems that are a little bit longer that just kind of help round out the very top of the arrangement. It gives a little bit more height to the very center of the arrangement and creates a little bit more of a pyramidal effect. Just like that, really simple, really dramatic, and really easy.